Hello everyone, myself Miss Shrutali Shrikant Pilankar. I am working as a lecturer in Prabodhan Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadavli. Here I talk about the feedback on MSBT approved 4-week online faculty development program on tools for online teaching learning processes, which conducted in between 20th April to 16th May 2020, which organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. So first of all, I will tell you in detail about week by week what I learned through this faculty development program. So here it is the first week which is related to effective teaching practices. So this week is very helpful to me to improve my teaching practices. So some modules are there which related to the various pedagogical challenges of 21st century's education. Here we discuss in detail about the Bloom's taxonomy, that is application of Bloom taxonomy levels for achieving the higher learning outcomes. Then use of active learning strategies in classroom teaching. Then differentiate students with the different learning style and thereby evaluate their teaching practices in comparison to effective teaching. So use of various tools of PowerPoint for the creation of presentation. So for the effective presentation, there is much more tools are available. By using such a tools, I have created a very effective presentation. So here I place a screenshot of my presentation which I have learned from the week 1 modules. Then I proceed towards the week 2, which is related with creation of online resources. So the design learning resources for online learning by including component of online teaching. Then creation of reflection spot, learning by doing activity in learning dialogue. Then creation of video resources by using PowerPoint, Screen Customatic and video scripts like softwares. Creation of own WordPress websites. And I have learned that how to customize, modify and manage the content of WordPress. So through week 2, I have prepared my own presentation, then prepare their video and upload on YouTube. Thereby same this video I have uploaded on my own WordPress website also. So this is very useful for me in future. Then week 3, which is related to module, that is Moodle as a learning management system. So first, that is selection of learning management system. So there is choosing that proper learning management system which is based on our requirement. Then creation of own Genomio Moodle course. Then enroll students to the created Genomio Moodle course and addition of various activities, resources and blocks into that Genomio Moodle course that includes like file, page, URL, game, quiz, restriction access, activity completion criteria, and finally award the badges and certificate to the learners in Genomio Moodle course. So at the end of week 3, I have created my own Genomio Moodle course. Here you see the screenshot, that is I have created the course pharmacognosy in which I have added content, that is topic, then various activities like video, PDF, quizzes also, and also add the activity completion bar and progress bar. Then in week 4, which is related to the digital and advanced pedagogy. So first, creation of online resources using various free software. Create and use the digital student response system, which includes the Mentimeter, Plickers, Kahoot-like systems. Then creation and use of online platforms for the discussion, quizzes, and conducting webinars. And implementation of modern pedagogical techniques in classroom or online teaching. So in week 4, there are much more digital pedagogical techniques are there. So for my teaching practice, I have used Mentimeter as a digital student response system, and I have created the Mentimeter presentation and I distribute in my students. Then after, through the Google Forms, I have collected the feedback from the students and huge positive response I have collected. So week 4 is very nice and amazing activity, and I have learned much more from week 4. So finally, I have proceeded towards my feedback. So thank you very much for giving such an opportunity to give a feedback for this 4-week online faculty development program on tools of online teaching learning process conducted in between the period of April 20th to May 16th, 2020, which is approved by MSBT and organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. First of all, I would thank to each and every member who organize and conduct such a training in lockdown period. So nicely utilize such a period very effectively for acquiring knowledge, which will be help us in future teaching learning processes. Also very thankful to such eminent speakers, Dr. Dias sir, Dr. Argade sir, Dr. Kahale sir, Dr. Bansod sir, Dr. Chaitali ma'am, and all team of Pharmacy Department of Jalgaon Polytechnic, who provide us huge information regarding various effective tools which make our teaching process more awesome and effective. All modules and quizzes of this course are well organized. Each module explained very well by speakers. The assignment of this course is nothing but the implementation of all that we learned in each module of that week and improve the practices of using all the tools. Many more new things here I learn, which really very useful for my future teaching processes. All staff members are very cooperative and always ready to solve our queries at any time. Here I like to mention that I have only 1 year experience of teaching, so it's my starting period of career in academics. So such an experience is very useful for my future development. Finally, I am very grateful to each and every member of organizing team of Department of Pharmacy, Polytechnic Jalgaon, who efficiently organized and conduct such a training for all teaching faculties. Thank you one and all for giving such an opportunity. Thank you very much.